back to my channel. This is Lisa from Lizamacrame, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful crochet rose. You can make crochet rose flower sticks, or you can attach it anywhere you like, or you can make pillow covers and attach the roses in there, etc. You can use it anywhere. So let's get started with this tutorial today. So for the materials, we will be needing a color of yarn. I'm using the soft peach and the crochet hook size 3.5mm, and a pair of scissors and a needle to sew the cutouts. So let's get started with this tutorial. So first I take the yarn and let's make a chain, and now insert the crochet hook in this loop and tighten the yarn, and let's make a chain 51. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's chain 10. Now let's make more, and our chain number will be a 51 chain. So we have a chain 51 here. You can see this is a chain 51, and now let's yarn over. Then let's count 5 chain from the last chain here. That's a 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's a 5, the 5th chain. Now we are going to insert the hook in the next chain, the 6th one here. So let's count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 6th, and we have the yarn over and insert the hook in the middle here like this, and then make a double crochet like this. Here you can see, and after making the double crochet, let's do chain 3. 1 2 3. So after doing the chain 3, again yarn over and insert the hook on the same space, and then make a double crochet again. Here you can see we have a V shape here, and then again yarn over. Now we are going to insert our hook on the 4th chain, counting from the next chain here. That's a 1 2 3 and 4. This is the 4th chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, and do a double crochet. Then again do 3 chain 3, again yarn over and insert the hook on the same space. Do a double crochet. So this is the next V we have. So from now on we are going to repeating this process all the way here at this end. Yarn over and counting from the next chain here, the 4th one. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Insert the hook here again. 1 2 3 4. That's a 4. Now make a double crochet, then chain 3, then again yarn over and make a double crochet in the same space. So this is the V. For the last time I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's yarn over and counting from the next chain here, the 4th one. 1 2 3 4. On the 4th chain we insert our hook and make a double crochet here, and then gonna do a chain 3. Again yarn over and insert the hook on the same space and make a double crochet, and that's our 4th V. And repeat this same process just all the way around till you reach here at this point. So let's do the same. So after making this patterns all the way around to the end here, you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So after making the 12 V-shaped squares, now we're going to fold it like this, and then we are going to do is yarn over and insert this gap here and make a double crochet for 6 times. That's a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's a 5, and that's a 6 double crochet. And between these two, the small gap here, you can see this here, we're going to do a single crochet, and that's we have our first petal here. Here you can see. Then we are going to again yarn over after the single crochet and insert the hook in this gap here and make again 6 double crochet. That's a 1, and that's a 2, and 3, five, and this is the 6 double crochet, and in this gap we're going to do a single crochet. So here you can see I do 6 double crochet, and here also the 6 double crochet, and from the next V we're going to do 8 double crochet in this gap, and small gap we do a single crochet. So from the third V we are going to do 8 double crochet till here, but in the last 2 V's we're going to do 10 double crochet. Okay, here we're going to do 10 double crochet, and this is the 10 double crochet. So now we're going to do 8 double crochet in this space. That's a 1, 2, 3, and this is the last, the 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet, and in the small gap we're going to do a single crochet here, and in the next V we're going to do 8 double crochet, but in the last 2 we're going to do 10 double crochet, 10 double crochet. So repeat the same process all the way around here. So I'll meet you here at this end. So in the last 2 V shape here we are going to do 10 double crochet, and then that's a 1 and 2, 3, 4. So push it like this to make the other ones, and that's a 10 double crochet. So this is the 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to make a single crochet here in the space, and again make 10 double crochet here. So after making the 10 double crochet in this last part we are going to do a single crochet like this, and then again do a slip stitch, then cut the extra yarn a little long, now let's pull this yarn. So here you can see our process for this rows are complete. Now let's do this for it look more beautiful. So from here we're going to start with a small tail here. Now let's make the rounds like this. So here you can see our flower is fully complete. Now let's put it like this, and going to use a needle here. Now let's sew it. So here you can see our flower looks very beautiful. Now let's sew it multiple times. Now let's take the little yarn and make a knot. Make it tighter, and then let's remember you take all the petals that are here and push the needle and then push it tight, and remember you take all the petals, then you sew it from all the sides to make it proper. So after sewing it from the other sides, we are not going to cut it. If you're going to join the rose anywhere in the t-shirt or your crochet beanie hat you're making, you can attach it by this a piece of yarn here attached. But if you don't need it, you can cut it here and you can make it a rose stick. So here it is, the full tutorial. So I make all these roses here for a project. So if you like this tutorial today, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share, and see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye guys, and see you in my next tutorial. And so bye bye.